Have you ever looked in a mirror and felt like something was off, like your reflection wasn't quite in sync with you? It sounds like something out of a horror movie, right? But what if I told you this strange phenomenon was the subject of a fascinating psychological experiment? Stick around, because what you're about to hear will make you question the very nature of your own perception. It all started with a simple setup: a group of participants, a room, and a perfectly normal mirror. Nothing tricky, no hidden cameras, no special effects. The researchers invited people in one by one and simply asked them to look at their reflection. They could move around, make faces, whatever they wanted. Afterwards, they were asked a simple question: did you notice anything unusual? You'd expect everyone to say no, right? It's just a mirror. But that's where things get weird. About half of the participants reported something truly bizarre. They claimed their reflection was delayed. They'd raise their hand, and for a split second, their reflection wouldn't move. It was as if the mirror was lagging, showing them what they did a moment ago. Imagine the feeling moving your head and seeing the reflection in the mirror fall a beat later. It's an unsettling thought, and for these participants, it was a real experience. Now, the researchers were stumped. They checked the mirror, the lighting, everything. It was a standard, high-quality mirror. There was no physical way it could delay an image. Light travels, for all practical purposes, instantly. So, if the mirror wasn't broken, what was? The only other variable was the human mind. This wasn't a trick of light, it was a trick of the brain. This phenomenon is a powerful example of how our perception isn't a perfect video recording of the world. Our brain is constantly interpreting, predicting, and sometimes misinterpreting the signals it receives from our senses. So, what was happening to the people who saw a delay? The leading theory is that it has to do with our brain's prediction mechanism. Think about it: when you move, your brain sends a signal to your muscles. It knows you're about to move before you even do. It also has a lifetime of experience telling it what a reflection is supposed to do. It should move instantly. So, your brain is processing two streams of information: the motor command to move and the visual information from the mirror. For most of us, these two streams are perfectly synchronized. The brain sees the reflection move at the exact same time it expects to, and everything feels normal. But for some people, under certain conditions, there might be a tiny hiccup in this process. The brain's expectation of the movement and the visual confirmation from the mirror don't align perfectly. It's like a tiny bug in your internal software. In that split second of mismatch, the brain has to make sense of the conflicting data. One way it might resolve this is by creating the asterisk sensation of a delay. It's not that the reflection is actually late, but your brain perceives it as late to reconcile the discrepancy. It's a fascinating look into the processes that happen completely outside of our conscious awareness. Our reality is constructed, moment by moment, inside our heads. This is similar to other perceptual illusions. You've probably seen those optical illusions where static images appear to move, or where colors seem to change depending on their background. These aren't problems with your eyes, they're features of how your brain processes visual information. It takes shortcuts and makes assumptions to build a coherent picture of the world as quickly as possible. Most of the time, this system works flawlessly. But experiments like the delayed mirror test reveal the seams in our perceived reality. So, what does this mean for you and me? Well, for one, it's a humbling reminder that what we see isn't always the objective truth. Our experience of the world is deeply personal and filtered through our own unique neurological wiring. Two people can look at the exact same thing and have fundamentally different experiences. This experiment also touches on the concept of self-perception. The mirror is our primary tool for seeing ourselves as others do. It's how we construct our physical self-image. The feeling that your reflection is disconnected from you, even for a moment, can be deeply unsettling. It can create a momentary sense of disassociation, a feeling that the person in the mirror isn't truly you. This might sound like a fringe scientific curiosity, but it has real-world implications. Understanding these glitches in our perception can help scientists learn more about the brain and conditions where this sense of self is disrupted. It's a window into the complex relationship between our physical bodies, our brain, and our conscious sense of me. The next time you look in a mirror, pay close attention. See if you can catch that fleeting moment of disconnect. You probably won't, but just by looking for it, you're engaging with your own perception in a new way. You're acknowledging that the smooth, seamless reality you experience is the result of an incredible amount of processing happening behind the scenes. The world isn't just something you see, it's something your brain creates, and sometimes, just sometimes, you can catch a glimpse of the artist at work. Thanks so much for watching and diving into the mysteries of the mind with me. If you found this as fascinating as I did, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the strange and wonderful world of psychology and science. Let me know in the comments if you've ever experienced anything like this. I'd love to hear your stories. Until next time, stay curious.